Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will walk through another sample problems regarding the determination of allowable load P. So in this example, a cantilever beam with a span of 14 feet is subjected to a uniform load of 70 pounds per foot. Given that the flexural rigidity of the beam is EI is equal to 5 times 10 to the power of 10 pounds square inch. So we are required to determine the allowable point load P that can be applied at the free end of the beam. If the maximum deflection at the tip is limited to 0.1 inches here. So we have the formula. If we segregate this load, we have the uniform load and we have the cantilever load loaded with P at the tip. So these are the formula. So if you know, guys, where these equations came from, so I will show you. It is from the table EIEC manual. Table 3-23. So we have all the different formula here of different load conditions. Then let's proceed to the our calculation. So the solution of this, we need to write down all the given value. We have the uniform load 70 pounds per foot, and we will convert it to pounds per inch, so that is 5.83. Then we have the span of the beam 14 feet, so times 12, 14 feet times 12, we have 168 inches. Then we have the flexural rigidity EI is equal to 5 times 10 to the power of 10 pounds in square inch. Then we have the maximum allowable deflection at the tip of the beam, 0.1 inches. So the total maximum deflection at the tip is the total of the deflection due to load P and the deflection due to the uniform load W here. So the deflection due to the uniform load alone is equal to the omega L to the 4th over 8 EI. So if we plug in all this value here in our formula, we have 583 pounds times 168 to the power of 4 L over 4 over 8 times 5 times 10 to the power of 10, and that would give us a value of 0.012 inch. Then the next one is to determine the value of P. So the formula of P from this equation is equal to the total deflection minus the deflection due to the uniform load. So we have 0.1 minus 0.12, 0.012 is equal to 0.088. So that is the deflection due to the load P. Now we will calculate the how much the allowable load P based on that deflection, 0.088. So we have only one unknown, which is only P. So the value of P is 2,784 pounds. So that is our answer to this problem. That is the allowable load P due to the maximum deflection of 0.1 inches. So that is the solution of our problem. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like or subscribe. See you next time. Take care.